Midnight Intro. In 60 seconds I'll show hidden Google AI tools and Nano Banana image generation for free. 005 Quick Overview. We'll access hidden Google AI features, craft a Nano Banana prompt, and export a free image. 010 Access hidden Google AI tools. Open the Google account menu and reveal developer or experimental tools. 015 Enable the experimental AI feature toggle and accept permissions if prompted. No payment required here. 020 Now open Nano Banana in a new tab and choose image generation. Keep the style set to scribble or sketch. 025 Type a concise prompt. Example, futuristic city skyline, scribble sketch, teal and magenta lighting, high detail. 030 Demo. Hit generate and watch the Nano Banana progress bar render frame by frame. 035 Compare the before and after. Use the split view to see prompt adjustments and improved results. 040 Tip 1. Add negative prompts like no text, no watermark and iterate with seed or style strength. 045 Tip 2. Use higher resolution and export PNG for clean scribble lines and transparent backgrounds if supported. 050 Quick Legality Note. Use generated art freely when the service permits and avoid uploading copyrighted images. 055 Closing. Try this workflow now for free and subscribe for more fast AI tutorials.